Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prominence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The history of meme coins. Meme coins are cryptographic forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It tends to be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor without basics. Image coins don't serve certifiable use and have no down-to-earth utility like other digital forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low worth and high course. The vast majority of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a small portion of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the subject Doge image. Kabasuke9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies, yet the prevalence of Dogelon Mars Elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most well-known among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogelon Mars technical analysis. The eccentricism of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital money market. Thus, giving a precise Dogelon Mars price figure is very troublesome. Verifiable information of Elon cost shows, the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.00000078. Not long after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.00000041. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.00000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.00000022. Dogelon Mars Elon cost beat the cost expectations and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars Elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Similar to our expectation, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is around $0.00001438. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.0000009366, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The flowing stockpile is 552,955,726,479,823 Elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized examination shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021. Going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00000267, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th. 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most elevated light with the colossal backing of volume. In somewhere around 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0.0000007771 to $0.00000267.5 upheld by gigantic volume. In something like a month, A small bunch return for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then, at that point, bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0.00001213. Right now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern sooner rather than later. Elon cost took support at $0.000009. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level. However, assuming that Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep force in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0.000008. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels set at $0.000006. The significant help is set at $0.000005. On the upper side, the closest obstruction is set at $0.000011. Elon value needs to break the level to test $0.000012. As indicated by our investigation and estimate, if Dogelon Mars, ELON, can cross the opposition level, forceful merchants can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant obstruction at $0.000014. As per our specialized examination with the most famous specialized markers, Dogelon Mars Elon's cost has exchanged over its 50 EMA and 20 EMA. RSI is put at 54.33, which is an unbiased sign, nor is it in the oversold zone nor offers any inversion hint to purchase Dogelon Mars signal. MACD line is moving beneath signal line. Volume profile isn't extremely steady as of now. While Dogelon Mars Elon cost expectation uncovers opportunities for positive pattern, the ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is expected to proceed with similar energy for the resulting not many exchanging meetings in view of the cost graph. Assuming there is no local area-driven trigger occurring in the Dogelon Mars conjecture for the momentary remaining parts impartial. Unexpected crowd reactions of purchasing are past figure in Dogelon Mars cost expectation. As per market cost expectations, the conjecture cost is supposed to show bullish pattern later on in contrast with current exchanging esteem. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2022. Dogelon Mars expectation predicts a greatest cost of Dogelon Mars of $0.00000127 before the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0.00000121. The Dogelon Mars cost forecast 2022 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise.